Traditional security stops at the firewall, but your AI workflows move prompts, files, and tool calls the moment a user hits enter. Tutela Agentic Security puts runtime governance right on that workflow, and it deploys straight from AWS Marketplace into your own account. Let's walk through a deployment start to finish. First, head to AWS Marketplace and search for Tutela Agentic Security. Open the listing. Tutela Agentic Security, Runtime AI Governance, sold by H2H Technology. This is customer-owned deployment. Everything you provision lands in your account and stays under your control. Click View Purchase Options to procure the software and launch your subscription. If you were issued a private evaluation offer, confirm it shows a 2-month term at $0 before you subscribe. Once it's active, Tutela shows up under Manage Subscriptions. Before we build anything, open the usage instructions. This is your parameter reference. Every input, when it's required, and its defaults. Keep it open in a second tab while we fill in the stack. Choose the most recent version. Here, that's the latest stable release, and download the CloudFormation launch template. This installer is release stamped, so the image tags and nested templates are locked to that version. You don't touch those, you just launch it. Now open CloudFormation. Double check your region up top. I'm in Oregon. Create a new stack, choose Upload a Template file, and upload the launch template we just downloaded. Select the Tutela Marketplace launch template file, then click Next to proceed. Give the stack a name. I'm using Tutela Egg Public because this is a public install. Quick distinction. Public means the app is reachable over the internet through a public load balancer. Private means it lives entirely inside your own VPC. Name your stack so that choice is obvious at a glance. Next, the customer inputs. Environment name. I'm using Tutela Egg, but pick anything distinctive for your environment. Application domain is the fully qualified domain name of your app. Mine is agentic.tutelacloud.com. Then enter your Route 53 hosted zone for that domain. For access mode, I'm choosing public. Same choice we made on the stack name. Public or private, your call. Now the deployment pattern, production is the default and gives you the full platform. That's what I'm using. If you want a leaner footprint, there's Essentials for AI chat, plus a browser extension footprint, and Slim for a lean pilot or training footprint. Unless you're reusing an existing certificate, you can skip the certificate entries. A public install issues its own certificate automatically from your hosted zone. Select your 2 availability zones. Then enter a strong database master password for RDS. Keep this somewhere safe. Leave every other parameter at its default and click Next. On stack options, select Delete all newly created resources on rollback, so a failed launch cleans up after itself instead of leaving orphaned resources. Then scroll down and check both capability boxes, acknowledging that CloudFormation will create resources on your behalf. Once the capabilities are acknowledged, click Next to review your stack. Finally, review the stack details, the template, the name, and your full parameter set, and click Submit to deploy. Tutela runs a pre-flight validation first, then builds your foundation, runtime, and routing resources. When the stack reaches Create Complete, sign in with the Bootstrap admin from the usage instructions. Change that password right away, and you're governing AI at runtime in an environment you own. That's Tutela Agentic Security, deployed from AWS Marketplace into your own account. Security should be owned, not rented. For more information, visit h2htech.com.